Aloha vibrant people, welcome back to my Maui vacation series Day 4. I'll take you around Grand Wailea shops, some great small businesses that come here, few lookouts that I visited on that day, Kapalua Beach Trail, some blowholes and much more in this video. I've spent some time in the resort in the morning exploring and shopping around. Then I visited a few great places around until sunset and spend time on the beach for the rest of my evening. So let's dive in. I felt like I've come to a mini mall as I entered the shopping complex of Grand Wailea Resort. There were a lot of art collection, jewelry which is native to Hawaiian culture, and a lot of artistic photographs, wall arts which can be a perfect souvenirs. Clothing here to me was expensive, especially the Aloha shirts and frocks for women, but the quality is definitely amazing. They have some variety of Aloha shirts and frocks in different colors which are really bright and great to wear. And Tommy Bahama's here is famous for such clothing, and I loved their cottons. I have seen jewelry that's made out of seashells, freshly extracted pearls, and at the same time I've also seen jewelry that is made out of diamonds and some precious stones as well. So they do have a lot of collection and variety around here. I haven't really purchased any, but it was a great experience to go through the designs that they have displayed. So I think you guys should check out. I did take some cotton clothing from Tommy Bahamas as a souvenir from Maui. I would definitely recommend their cotton shirts or dresses, which is very much comfortable in this weather. Place is like a convenience store. They have a lot of snacks to grab and go, food and already prepared meals to grab and go. If we would like to sit down and eat, they do have that service as well. So walking around the shopping complex, I felt this is really convenient. Right after the shopping, I started to Kapalua Coastal Trail. Check out this beautiful view on the way. After driving for a while, I've also seen this great by the road shopping area where there are a lot of food options, some great juice, and this market here. I haven't seen that variety of candies, chips and other eatables around this area in the past few days. I was really surprised with all of these different options. So I think if you know what they are, it's probably a great place to take some for your family and friends. So check out. We are at the Kapalua Coastal Trail. I really loved the beach. It was really pleasant and I loved the vibe. There was a rock nearby where people were jumping into the water. There are people who are snorkeling a little further from the coast. So I don't think it's definitely not a difficult trail, but I felt that it's important to check out the weather. It was very hot the day when I went here and it was difficult to even do a very minimalistic trail. So I think Going around after 4 o'clock might be a good idea with the nice breeze. It'll be great. This is Nakalele Blowhole Point. The trek or trail to the blowhole is quite short, but it's very rocky, so having proper hiking shoes or sandals will help great. And I loved this place. I mean, it's so natural, and the blowhole is absolutely fantastic. I haven't seen one before, so probably that could be the reason why I am very much excited. But I think this has to be a must visiting point on everyone's checklist if you are in Maui. I tried to capture some good vlogs here, so check out.
There you go.
This is Olowalu, and this spot is right in front of the trail to the beach. They have some fresh lime juice that you have to check out. And Olowalu is known for their snorkeling because the reef is quite close to the coast and the water is quite shallow, so I've seen a lot of people snorkeling around, so probably something that definitely need to be checked out. And the path that you are seeing right now is the trail to the beach. It was really pleasant. There were a lot of variety of trees around here. I've seen a very huge mango tree and mango fell right in front of me. So yeah, let's walk. So this is the beach. It's quite rocky and surprisingly there were no and minimum waves here, which is perfect for snorkeling. My next stop was Lahaina. I checked out the famous banyan tree and I had some good food in Star Noodles, which is the famous restaurant here. I did walk through the streets of Lahaina. You can see this great show that's happening. You can take pictures with these cute birds. I felt it's really great. I mean, it was so fun. That's all for today. Thank you for watching again. Signing off, Vibrant Saga with lots of love.